Have you ever tried opening an Exchange BKF file only to realize it's corrupted or inaccessible? Introducing SysTools Exchange BKF Recovery Tool. A powerful tool that lets you recover, preview, and export Exchange data from BKF, STM, and log files, even if they're severely. Key features of the software: Corrupt BKF Recovery. Extracts data from severely damaged or inaccessible Exchange backup files. No size limitation, easily recover data from BKF files of any size without performance issues or file splitting, ideal for large or enterprise-level backups. Scan and preview recovered data, automatically scan BKF files and preview all recovered Exchange items, including emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, and more, before exporting. Maintains original folder structure. Preserves the original hierarchy of mailboxes and folders during recovery and export, ensuring easy navigation and data integrity. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Exchange BKF Recovery Tool. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. Once install the software, simply launch it. You will be greeted with a clean interface. Load option to opens a file browser to select and load the BKF file for recovery. Click Load. Select BKF file and click Open. The software will now begin scanning your backup file. Depending on the file size and corruption level, this may take a few moments. You can also stop the scanning process by clicking on Stop button. Once the scan is complete, all the recovered mailbox folders will appear in the left panel under the Explore section. To preview the scanning data, select any item and you will preview the item's data on the right panel. You can now proceed to extract the data you need. Extract Selected option allows you to export only specific folders, such as the inbox, sent items, contacts, or even individual mailboxes. To use it, simply check the boxes to the folders or items you want to recover in the left side folder tree, and click the Extract Selected button. Extract option: export all recovered mailbox data at once, including emails, contacts, calendars, notes, tasks, journals, and more. To use it, simply click on the Extract button. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to select a destination folder. Choose any location on your system where you want to save the recovered data. Then click the OK button to begin the process. After completing the process, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK. Now you can navigate to the output folder and access all the recovered Exchange data in organized format. And that's it. That's how you can easily recover Exchange server data from BKF files using SysTools Exchange BKF Recovery Tool. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.